F&G has multiple locations across the UK, but the Cardiff location for me is quite unique. The enthusiasm of the staff, the skill set that we've got, and also, I suppose, the loyalty to the brand, but also loyalty to each other. I think it makes Cardiff an exceptional site. The quality of the workforce here in Cardiff is really excellent, and I think sometimes we're spoilt for choice. So we've got great skills right across the spectrum for financial services. So we've got finance, we've got customer service skills, we've got marketing skills, and really we find that we can find all the skills that we require. The piece for me as well is it's not just about skills, but it's also about capabilities and their attitude. And certainly here in Cardiff, the attitude of staff that we recruit is second to none. Having 3 universities here on our doorstep is absolutely an advantage. So we have, I suppose, the opportunity to work with grads once they leave, but also I think the skills and the expertise that they bring is really strong. In the past, we've actually done we've joined forces with the universities, and they've created courses for us, particularly around medical underwriting, and that's been really productive for us in the past. And so for me, the city is great, it's vibrant. I think we're spoilt for choice in terms of skill set, but also I think it's the people that really make Cardiff special. So what I personally like about living in Cardiff in South Wales is you have everything on your doorstep. It's a city, but it's a relatively small city, so you can walk around, it's easy. We've got the beaches, you've got the mountains. I think also we're spoilt for choice in terms of theatre, but also the fact that we've got the stadium, and what that brings to the city is really amazing in terms of sports venues and really becoming more of a music venue as well. So I relocated here, and endlessly they've tried to move me, but actually I'm staying put. It's a fantastic city to live in.